Top 10 fruits to rejuvenate your kidneys in 25 days. Welcome back to Whole Health, the place where wellness meets wisdom. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: your kidneys. These superhero organs work around the clock to filter toxins, balance blood pressure, and keep your body in harmony. But even superheroes need a little help sometimes, right? That's where today's topic comes in. We're counting down the top 10 superfruits that can give your kidneys a boost and even rejuvenate them in as little as 25 days. That's right, nature has packed some powerful healing properties into these everyday fruits, and today we'll explore each one's unique benefits for your kidney health. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our countdown. We're kicking off with our number 10 superfruit, and I'll reveal the top choice that could be a true game changer for your kidneys at the end. So let's get started. Number 10. Watermelon. Starting our list at number 10 is the refreshing watermelon. Not only is this a favorite summer snack, but it's also one of the most hydrating fruits out there. Since watermelons are over 90% water, they are fantastic for helping your kidneys flush out toxins and keep things running smoothly. Plus, hydration is crucial for kidney health. If you're not drinking enough water, your kidneys can struggle to filter waste effectively, so watermelon can be a delicious way to get extra hydration. Beyond water content, watermelon also contains lycopene, an antioxidant known for reducing oxidative stress. Lycopene's ability to combat inflammation helps protect your kidneys from damage and even chronic disease risks. It's a powerful fruit that tastes great and hydrates you. What more could you ask for? Number 9. Next up, we have cranberries at number 9. These small but mighty berries are famous for supporting urinary tract health, and that benefits extends to your kidneys. Cranberries contains proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can lead to kidney issues. Not only do cranberries help prevent infections, but they are also high in antioxidants like vitamin C and E. This duo of antioxidants reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys, keeping them healthy over time. Plus, cranberries can even help reduce the formation of kidney stones. A glass of unsweetened cranberry juice or a handful of fresh cranberries could be a tart but powerful addition to your diet. Number 8. Red grapes. Coming at a number 8 are red grapes. Don't let their small size fool you. Red grapes are packed with resveratrol, an antioxidant that offers powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Resveratrol can protect kidney tissue from oxidative stress, a big factor in kidney disease. Red grapes also contains flavonoids and fiber. These compounds support your body's natural detox process, which reduce the burden on your kidneys. And let's not forget their potassium content, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure, another critical factor for kidney health. So next time you need a snack, reach for some red grapes. Number 7. Blueberries. At number 7, we have blueberries, often called a superfood. These little blue gems are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that give blueberries their vibrant color and also help reduce inflammation. Reducing inflammation and oxidative stress is key to protecting your kidneys from potential damage, and blueberries deliver here. They are also low in glycemic index, which means they are a great choice for managing blood sugar levels. Since diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, keeping your blood sugar stable is essential. So adding blueberries to your breakfast or snack time could be a small but powerful step for kidney support. Number 6. Apples. In the 6th spot, we have apples, a classic choice that's great for kidney health. Apples are packed with fiber, which supports digestion and helps control blood sugar. When you keep your blood sugar in check, you reduce the risk of kidney strain, especially over time. Apples also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. High oxidative stress can damage kidney tissues, so incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like apples is crucial. Plus, apples contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K. Consider adding apples to your daily routine. They're easy to snack on and offer tremendous health benefits. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Scene of oranges, lemons, and limes being sliced. Our number 5 pick is a group of fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your kidneys from oxidative stress and helps repair tissues. Vitamin C also boosts iron absorption, which reduces the risk of anemia, a common issue for people with kidney concerns. In addition, citrus fruits can help alkaline the body, which may prevent kidney stones by reducing urine acidity. The potassium in citrus fruits aids in fluid balance, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. Just keep in mind, if you have existing kidney issues, you may want to monitor your potassium intake. But overall, a splash of citrus in your water or a snack of fresh orange can do wonders for your kidneys. Number 4. Pineapples. At number 4, we have pineapples, a tropical treat that's surprisingly good for your kidneys. Pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain, known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which can be especially helpful if you have kidney-related issues. Pineapples are also low in potassium, making them suitable for people who need to monitor their potassium intake. They are high in vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, supporting overall health and wellness. Add pineapples to smoothies or enjoy them fresh to give your kidneys a flavorful boost. Number 3. Cherries. Our bronze medalist at number 3 is cherries. These vibrant fruits are not only delicious but are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals. Cherries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Cherries also help lower uric acid levels, reducing the risk of kidney stones, including kidney disease. Additionally, they are low in potassium, making them safe for those with kidney concerns. Cherries make a perfect snack or dessert topping, and they are a great way to add some extra kidney support to your diet. Number 2. Raspberries. Almost at the top, number 2 is raspberries. These little berries pack a big punch when it comes to kidney health. They are high in fiber, which is essential for digestion and helps remove toxins from the body, taking the load off your kidneys. Raspberries are also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, which protect the kidneys from free radical damage. The anti-inflammatory properties of raspberries can support kidney health and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Plus, they are low in potassium, making them a safe and delicious option for kidney health. Raspberries are perfect in smoothies, on oatmeal, or as a quick snack. Number 1. Beetroot. And finally, our top pick, the powerhouse beetroot. Beetroots are an amazing choice for kidney health because they are packed with betaine, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Betaine helps protect kidney tissues from damage and supports overall kidney function. But that's not all. Beets also contain nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure, both essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. The high fiber content in beets aids digestion and detoxification, which lightens the load on your kidneys. You can enjoy beets raw, roasted, or in a smoothie to help detox and strengthen your kidneys. Beets top our list as the best superfood for kidney health. These 10 superfruits offer a powerful way to support and rejuvenate your kidneys. But remember, a balanced diet is key. Here are a few extra tips to keep your kidneys strong and healthy. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for helping your kidneys flush out waste and toxins. Number 2. Limit sodium. Avoid high-sodium foods to reduce blood pressure and prevent kidney strain. Thank you for watching, and please share, comment, like, and subscribe for more of the similar informative videos.